Hi, it's me, B1, and I want to share a message that I find very important. I'm going to read it off, and I hope you follow along through the whole thing to catch this message. So, I want to talk about how the way we do things on these apps either encourage or discourage us to engage with each other, and why that's even important. There are so many of you that know me, but I feel like I don't really know you. I see what you want me to see, and frankly, I'm kind of sad of that because you'll find out soon. I know so many of you have much more potential than what you actually show, and I know that because I do too. Why haven't we shared what our potential could be? I can't do almost anything right yet when it comes to tech and posting and all of this, especially alone. But if I could, I'll let you know that there would be hundreds of videos up already of me being me. There are already a few. Not what you want me to be, and not just to get to the top spot, just to be here on this with you guys as a community. I would love to be on here and engage with everyone who, for the most part, seem to have it all together. And also, I would like to have it all together to help encourage everyone to also engage. I honestly don't think that having it all together means being picture perfect, though. To be a part of connecting with the world around us and to give us a chance and give everyone a chance to be a part of our lives, even when we might be separated by age, by time zones, by land and sea. Also, by connecting in this way leads to collaboration and growth so that we can meet our potential. Instead of leaving it dormant and undiscovered, we help one another to be our best, our absolute best. There are many reasons why I want to share my thoughts. Sometimes I simply think that they're cool, and other times I think they're actually important, like this one. When it comes to the things we share that are important, which I will argue that all of it is important to different people in different ways, that needs to happen. We need to see those posts and we need to see those videos. Sadly, I have had many times where I almost make a video and just quit midway through because I have been discouraged to engage. I said this earlier that I don't know you, but the truth is y'all don't know me. If anyone wants to know anyone through these social media things, which we are worldwide connected on, we have to be encouraging. I realize as I'm saying this, millions of people have already shared so much, and that is great. Some people need little encouragement, while some of us, myself included, need more. Also, some people might never be discouraged to share the things they want to share, and I hope to become that too. But some do get discouraged, and for many different reasons. I will keep going as to further encourage humanity to share all the things they'd like to share by doing just that. Well, some people just might not want to, is no excuse for not having the availability to share if they do feel like it. And since we are all able to connect on this, it is our ability to encourage that allows that to be available for everyone. See, I do want to share, yet even though I want to, sometimes really, really badly even, I feel discouraged, and regardless of the importance of the things I'd like to share, I wouldn't just because of that. We all might be encouraged and discouraged by different things. Personally, I'm encouraged by the raw and uncut truth and love and respect. And personally, I'm discouraged by things having to be perfect and having to shout just to be heard and being baited into competition. Just because something isn't so perfect or has room for improvement doesn't mean that it's not worth engaging with. And anyone who might think that others wouldn't engage with their stuff if it also might need improvement can understand the fact that they might not put out what they wanted to, and more importantly, what someone else might have been inspired by or needed. To communicate is essential for our survival. The way we communicate in the world through these apps and online is a relatively new thing that we have at our fingertips. And what we share is important, maybe not directly for us, but for others and possibly for us in the future. We can help encourage others by simply being ourselves, not what the system wants us to be or what have you. Because if we allow that to happen, we encourage the ones who might not even need encouragement as much as others to make more of what discourages the ones who might just change the whole world for the better. When we encourage people to keep doing the things that they like on these platforms and in general, we can better understand one another, and that understanding gives us more connection with each other, and that gives us much more ability to create and co-create. Encouraging each other is simple, and it is oftentimes free. Take a minute and listen, give your attention, give feedback, speak your thoughts in a respectful way. Ask to add with others and collaborate. Share it to someone you love. All the things we already know, but those aspects of engagement really do help us in ways that encourage more. Like I said, it might help others more than you, but the others might be the ones that end up helping you. Like a circle coming back around, by encouraging, we strengthen the community. So that is what I wanted to share with you guys. I think it is a very important message, because there really have been times where I have such passion to say something and I feel discouraged because maybe I might not be doing it the right way. And, honestly, maybe to some people the right way is a better way to communicate, but the emphasis that I'm trying to put out with this message is that sometimes it's for more than we can even comprehend. I had a conversation with somebody who really kind of enlightened me to that. Thank you, Daniel, if you ever see this. But I genuinely believe that when we help everyone else out, we're helping ourselves too. And that is something that I feel is just, really important. So please, everyone, encourage anyone that you see doing stuff, doing what they would like to do, encourage that they be that. And I wish to encourage you in your missions to do what you want to do. Be that person, even if it doesn't look perfect. Okay, I'm here for you. Thank you so much for your message, or for hearing my message, and I am so happy and grateful for your support. If you like this and want to support, please follow and like and comment, do all the things. And to end this out too, I also want to say, free Palestine, feed Gaza, and we are better united together, and love overcomes always. God bless. Thank you, Jesus. I love you. Bye.